Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from standard 7 English medium, chapter number 7 in English grammar. What is the chapter name? Verbs, past tense. I have discussed with you about this page, about the past definition, past tense of, and this page telling you about the change into past tense. Then this page also, how to write this blank past tense, and this short form affirmative, negative. Then now come to this page. What we do the same as we had done before. Rewrite the following story using the past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. What we do, whichever word is given in the bracket, we write the past form of that verb. If the verb given go, so what we write? This is the main verb, so we write the past form of the verb. What is the past form of the verb? Go. So went is the past form of the verb. So let's see the past form of the verb. Here given the story. The story start with here. Once upon a time there live, given in the verb bracket, a man and his wife in a village. So what we write to do here? The past form of this word. So lived. Lived is the past word. Once upon a time there lived a man and his wife in a village. There, then the be is verb given. So what here given? They. They is third person plural. So what we write to do with this? We write the past to be formed, but plural. So we write here were. They were blessed with a goose which lay a golden egg every day. Here given the verb lay. So what is the past form of the lay? So L-A-I-D, laid. Laid is the past form. Which laid a golden egg every day. Then once again here they, be is used. So what? We write were. W-E-R-E. They were very lucky to have such a goose at home. Every day the man go. Here given the word go. So what the right word? Went. They went to the market to sell the egg. Then the money they, here given the word receive. So received is the past form. They received by selling the egg. Here given the help. So what is the past form? Helped. Selling the egg helped them to buy what they need. So needed. What? They helped them to buy what they needed. But here given the word but. Soon they, begin is the word given. So begin. Begin is the past form. Soon they began to think that they be here. So they were not getting rich fast enough. So they imagined. Imagine given. So imagined. They imagined that the bird, bee. See here the word given, the bird. So the bird is singular. So what we write? We write was. The bird is singular. That is why to be formed was is we write. The bird was made of gold inside. They decide is the word. So they decided. They decided to kill it in order to get the entire store of gold. Keep is the word given. So kept. Kept inside the goose stomach at once. One day they cut it open to get what they here given want. So here cut remains same. Cut. Then the word given here want. So what? Want change into wanted. But alas, they discover. What? Discover. Only add ed. Discovered. Ed. They discovered to their dismay. It was an ordinary goose, just like an other of its kind. They became very disappointed. They neither get change into got rich as they had hoped, nor enjoyed the daily share of their wealth any longer. So this is how we write the past form of the verbs. Okay, now here given the past continuous. What is the definition? The definition shows that the past continuous tense denotes a continuing action in the past. What denotes the continuing action which had done in the past, but the action has had been going on. Okay, here see, my father was working when Geeta arrived. Okay, when this Geeta arrived, my father was working. My father before that working and continuing his job means working. So this is how the action was going on. In the past, Geeta arrived, and present, what? Father was working. So what is the structure? See, the structure is in the affirmative sentence, first write subject, then was or were plus verb with ing, then object or other word. What writes subject? I, pronoun, we, you, they, he, she, it, or noun. Singular noun, plural noun, or words. Singular, plural, words. Okay, whatever. With the singular we write was, and I with was. I was writing any essay at this time. This is the sentence. Look at here. I was it to be form, but past to be form. Then the verb writing, main verb with ing, and essay at this time, object and the other word. This is the structure of affirmative sentence. If we write the structure of negative sentence, to be form with add not, then write main verb. Whatever to be form was or were used, after that you use not. That means the sentence is negative. I was not writing an essay at this time yesterday. Amit was not writing an essay at this time yesterday. That is the negative. Then here comes interrogative sentence, WH question and negative interrogative. WH question with what with, here were used. Why? Because you is here as used as subject. What were you writing at this time? What were you writing at this time? That is the WH question used. The answer is an essay. The sentence is an essay. If yes no question asked, so only change the place. Were you not writing an essay at this time yesterday? Yes or no. If using the short form of this were and not, weren't you writing an essay at this time yesterday? That is the structure of the interrogative sentence. Okay, the past continuous tense is used to an ongoing action in the past. Ongoing. The action was going. Ajit was trying to send you a message last night. Means he was trying and still in the past still trying to send the message last night, and refer to a longer duration of a time in past action. She was suffering from fever for a long time, means the longer duration. She was suffering, past, in the past, going on, and present. For the long time he was suffering from the fever. Now here given, rewrite the following story using the simple past and past continuous tense forms of the words given in the brackets. So we identify the sentence and write, if the sentence is in the past tense, so we write only the past action. If the sentence is right, the past continuous, then we write the past action, just like if given the word go. And if it is the past continuous, then we write was going or were going according to the subject. If given the past action only, then go change into went. Let's see. There is a beautiful story among the Tibetan people about Mount Everest. In ancient times, there blank a sea in this region. So here given the verb be. What? Be. So in ancient times, the action was continuing. In the past action, but continuing. In the ancient time, there be. There be. So here using action, past event action, see in this season. So it's a past tense. What is used? Here there is used. So here use only was. There was a sea in this region. In ancient times, past action. People of the region. People of the region. Here given the verb live very happily there. People of the region here were living. What right? Were living. Why? Because talk about the people. There were so many people. Okay, that is why were living is the correct answer. People of the region were living, were very happily there. One day, group of devils come and start destroying everything in the region. So one day here talking about of 10. Then one day a group of devils, it's a past action, so come change into came. Okay, come change into came, and start change into started, past action. In the past, a group of devils came and destroying everything in the region. That was not continuing, it's a past action. Then the people feel very sad. So the people of the region felt very scared at that time only. They be here verb given. They be this. They be here given the word not able to protect their land and their lives from their devils. Here use what? Be. So only write were. Only write were. They were not able to protect their land and their lives from their devils. These devils. Out of the helplessness, they pray to the gods for protection. Here given the verb pray. Which word given? Pray. So out of the helplessness, they blank to the gods for protection. Means at the past action, they only did it. So here the prayed, past form of the word prayed. As they, here given the sentence, as they pray, the wind bring 5 colorful clouds to the land. As they pray means the action was continuing. As they were praying. As they were praying. As they were praying, the wind bring change into brought. Bring change into brought. They brought 5 colorful clouds to the land. The clouds arrived from heaven. So here arrive change into arrived. It's a action, past event action. The cloud arrived from heaven. The clouds be actually 5 goddesses. So here the clouds is plural word. So to be form word is used. The clouds were actually 5 goddesses. They fight with the devils and lock them under the snow mountains. What? They here given the fight, so fight change into fought, past action only. They fought with the devils and lock change into locked, past action. Them under the snow mountains. The people plead. So plead change into pleaded, past, to the goddesses to remain on earth and protect them. The goddesses agree. Agree change into agreed. What? Agreed. They create forest, grasslands, farm, fields and beautiful flowers. Here given the word create. So they created. What? They created. Then here after they finish their creation, after here use the after they finish change into finish, past action. After finished their creation, they turn into 5 high peaks. Turn. So what? They turned. They turned into 5 peaks. Out of the 5 goddesses, the third goddesses here using the be use the verb be, the bravest one. The third goddesses means here which word? Third is singular, so here use was. She become change into became, past event. She became the tallest peak. People called her mountain Cumolongma. The third goddess is out of gratitude and fondness. The Tibetan third goddess is here use was, so to be formed. Later renamed as Mount Everest after the surveyor Sir George Everest in 1865. So this is how we write the past continuous or past form of this chapter. I hope you understand about this. Thank you.